Well, straight away, we are getting you these breaking inputs coming in from poll-bound state of West Bengal. Days after Suvendu Adhikari joined the BJP, the inevitable seems to be happening right now. Violence reportedly broke out between TMC workers and followers of Suvendu Adhikari. And in this violence, reportedly, BJP workers also joined in. And the incident that we are reporting happened at Ramnagar in East Midnapur. For more on this, Tamal is joining me on the broadcast. Tamal, first of all, what are the details of the incident and what do we know about these clashes so far?
Well, even as we speak, the clashes are still on and we are getting some disturbing reports. It all started a short while back as the BJP workers along with followers of Suvendu Adhikari had taken out a rally, and as the rally was crossing Ramnagar area in East Midnapur, supposedly and allegedly BJP workers made certain gestures towards Trinamool Congress workers who had assembled near a party office of Trinamool Congress, and that's possibly have triggered the kind of tension which has now escalated to a full-fledged violence and physical assault from both sides. Now, they have engaged in physical assault. There had been reports of stone pelting. There have been reports of clashes. We also know that police have intervened, but at this juncture, there are people who are injured. And that's the worrying point. There are reports of at least 3 people who have sustained injuries, and they are from both sides, both from Trinamool Congress side and also from the side of BJP. So at this juncture, what we are getting to hear, that BJP workers along with Suvendu Adhikari's followers had taken out a rally, and there was also an alleged attempt to capture one of the TMC offices which was there in Ramnagar. Mind you, Suvendu Adhikari is known to be a strong man and who hails from East Midnapur, had joined BJP on 19th of this month, and he has his own battery of followers. And it's election time, as you rightly mentioned. These battery of followers were to do more groundswell of work for Suvendu Adhikari, and now we're getting to understand that violence broke out between Suvendu Adhikari's followers. Later on, BJP workers had also joined in, and this violence has happened between BJP
and this is not the first such incident, Tamal. Like you mentioned in your report, that this is perhaps inevitable. We were sort of expecting this to happen. So the onus clearly lies on the leader concerned here to actually monitor his supporters.
Well, that's right, and Ramnagar is known to be a Trinamool Congress bastion. Ramnagar has been known as a Trinamool Congress bastion, courtesy mostly Suvendu Adhikari. So now when Suvendu Adhikari has moved to BJP, there is a huge transition as far as political allegiance and political flavor of the area is concerned. Now, there are Trinamool Congress workers, there is no denying about it. These Trinamool Congress workers are having a party office, they are into active political activities, and you also know, as a matter of fact, Trinamool Congress has accepted this dare from Suvendu Adhikari, and given the fact that not too many MLAs of Trinamool Congress, at least from East Midnapur district, had defected to BJP, Trinamool Congress is confident that that Suvendu Adhikari has not been able to dent the party too much, and now when the violence happens, it's possibly an indication that the trouble is far from over. There could be more such tension situations erupting in the future, because both sides, it seems like, are refusing
to. All right.
Tamal,
we are going to leave it at that for the moment. Thanks very much for joining us with your inputs on the story. Those visuals first being played out on Times. Now we'll keep a close watch on all the developments later as well. At the